Let's have a look at iFi Disperser. I used my kick as an example for this tutorial right now. And you can get, if you want that kick specially, if you like it like, oh, that's a crazy kick, get it on my Patreon. It's like available with all the other packs. So this is how the kick sounds without the disperser. I like it. Sits pretty low, pretty nice for drum and bass. And then when you activate the disperser, it sounds like this. You get this squishy, nice water effect. Big fan of that. You can use it for bass sounds and all that cool percussive sounds, or even like for vocals and stuff. First, I would like to explain how my disperser works. We have 2 all-pass filters. One all-pass filter sits right nicely. Then the second one is phase inverted, and the thing what is left over is the phase rotation, so the phase shifting. This is this kind of nice watery effect from all these nice notches what we get. So we have here the low frequency oscillator, which will move the frequency from its own when you play the whole sound. We have the feed, which will just increase the Q from the whole little notches. Makes sense. Then we have the frequency, which shifts all the little notches what we have. And then we have the amount of how many notches we want, which getting spread out. And then spread is the hue you can adjust how far you want to spread them out. Nice. I would use it for kicks or like drums in general, like with percussions and everything. Bass sounds, vocals, like you can do a lot of stuff with that. I don't know if I would use it directly for sub basses, but maybe more for the kind of low mids sounds, yeah? Because I like to keep my sub bass clean, makes also more sense because you don't want to phase shift your sub. But everything above 60 hertz is definitely nice to try around with. I mean, there's no rules in music, you can try everything out. Try if it sounds good, it sounds good. So then we have my stellar rack 3 times. And what I like to do for sound design with this, putting the feed like, let's say 80%, spread all the way up. And you can even change the frequency. That's basically it. And you know where to find it. It's on my Patreon. Boom. All right, that was fire outro. Peace.